Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Amy, and in today's video, I just did a few quick um, finishing touches, I guess you would call them, just to kind of share some of the stuff I was wanting to try out. So on my lips today, I am wearing the Buxom Vava Plump Push Up Pink, and I think this is a beautiful color. It goes really nicely with my neutral eye look. And I kind of tinkly minty flavor feeling. Very, it's not a matte lipstick. It doesn't dry down. I think it plumps a little bit. I wouldn't say it's overly plumping. So it's not like you're going to put it on and you're going to get big, awful lips. It's really, so I'm really liking this. I tested the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown, and I'm loving this. This is really nice, really quick, really easy. I've never tried it before, and I'm glad I got to. And then I did try out the Illamasqua liquid eyeliner. I can't pronounce the name of this to save my soul. The way it's spelled, don't know, but it's in black, and this was really nice. Although I really didn't like how stiff the pencil was, or the pen was, the felt tip pen on it was. I'm used to something a little softer, a little pliable, more pliable, because normally I use the Morphe liquid pen in black, and I really like that one. So this one's a little stiff for me, but it worked well. I mean, it turned out well. I tested out the You Better Work Volume and Curl Mascara. It's gem proof, waterproof by Essence. I think it did pretty well. I think it's a little wet for me, but maybe it'll take a couple of days to kind of thicken a little bit. But I mean, it worked out well. It looks great on my lower lash line. I did get a little bit here on the inner corner of my eye, and well, it's there. I'm not gonna fuss with it today. I'm just cleaning. So, but then I did on my lashes. I am wearing the Ardell Mega Volume, and number 250. And I think they are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. They went on with ease. I did not even have to trim them down. That's what I do like about Ardell. They're pretty true to my eye size. So I usually don't have to trim them down. If I do, it's very little. And these are a black band, but they're super comfortable. And I've tried some black bands and I stink at it like horribly. I can't get them on. If I do, they're all crooked, and so I'm getting better at lashes, but honestly, I found when I've used some of the black bands that they're heavy, or at least they feel heavy to me, and these are light. I don't even feel that they're there, and they're so voluptuous and beautiful, and I absolutely am loving these. So I am super glad I picked these up to try them out. And then I used the Ardell Lash Grip Clear Brush On Lash Adhesive. And this is awesome. It dries fairly quickly, about 30 seconds, and then I was able to pop them on for them to be tacky. So that worked really great. So, if you want to see all of these finishing touches being applied, just keep on watching. Alright guys, let's see if we can salvage the rest of this look. I've been trying out a bunch of new products, and you will see those probably before this one. This one is just going to be, I got a new mascara I want to try out, lip plumping lip gloss. I've got an eyeliner, a liquid liner we're going to use. And I'm trying to decide if I want to use the Cala Bossy 3D Foamy, or if I want to use some Ardell's and try out a different part. So, and I got a new brow pencil I'm going to give a try. So let's start with that. And this is the Anastasia Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil in medium brown. So that's the pencil side. Most of you probably know about this. I have never tried it, but that looks like it's super fine tip. Nice spoolie. So we're going to take the spoolie, kind of comb through. Okay, I see you. This is nice. This is really nice. I'm really liking this. Give it some nice definition. This goes on really effortlessly. I like that, and it was really easy to use. I usually use one that's a little bit bigger, or a lot bit bigger, so that one was really nice. I don't have any new brow gel, so I'm just going to use my Believe Clear Gel for my brows and just kind of comb this through here to keep these babies in place. This stuff like sets it, man. I put this on and my brows go nowhere. So we're just going to give this a whirl. We're just going to put this through just to make sure that these brows go nowhere today. Even though I have really nothing planned for the day. You might hear my dryer running behind us. I'm doing laundry. That's my goal of the day. My allergies are really bad. And my sinuses have been draining like crazy. It is miserable. Alright, we are going to try. This is the Illamasqua eyeliner I got in my Ipsy bag. So we're going to give this a try. So it's a little bit stiffer than what I'm used to. I use the Morphe liquid liner, and I really like that one, and it's really got a soft tip to it, where this one's a little, if you can see the point on it, and it's really stiff. I mean, it went on really easy, but it's really kind of stiff, so kind of up to you what you're looking for there. If you want something. Now, I know I'm pulling on my eye, and you really shouldn't do that, but my eyelids are super, I don't know, they're not real tight, I guess is the best way to put it. I don't know. Mine just got a lot of play to them, and so when I try to run an eyeliner across it, it just kind of like pulls the whole eyelid. It's stupid. It's my eyes. What do I expect? So, but overall, I mean, it's a nice a nice eyeliner. Nothing fantabulous. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do one coat. And this is the new, I've never tried this. I don't know if it's really new, but it's the You Better Work Volume and Curl Mascara, waterproof and gym proof. So I'm just going to do a quick coat of this in my upper lashes real quick. I'm just trying to make sure I catch all of them. So it's nice. I mean, it's working well. Not if you can really see my lashes. My lashes are pretty thin, especially since I've been wearing falsies a lot more regularly. So I got a little dot here. I'm just going to let that dry, and then I'll just flake it off instead of fighting with it. I want to try these. No. I like the clear bands, and I don't think any of these are clear. You know what? Let's just use the Mega Volume to try to cover up this mess of an eyeshadow look today. I tried the new one that came in my Ipsy bag, and it's the Pacifica, and I don't know. I like some of the products. Like, they have a face wash I have that I like. But, I mean, overall, I have an issue with, like, their eyeshadows. They kind of when you blend them, they just blend together into a mucky mess. Like, you'll see at the beginning in my Ipsy video, that's going up first. Like, it starts out with this really pretty, let's see if I can show you here. This really pretty color here, and it's got like purples and pinks and blues in it, is like supposed to be all over my eyelid to give it a little pop, and I sprayed it and everything, and it's just a mess. So not my favorite. All right. You should probably use tweezers when you're doing this. Do not do as I do. And that's why. Usually if you hold them like this, you know, left eye, right eye, works great. I'm probably going to have to cut a little off of this because this looks like it's going to be really big. Maybe not. I like it. That's what we're going with today. That's one thing I like about Ardell lashes. I have found I really don't have to do a lot of trimming with them, which makes it really, really nice. I know a lot of people, I don't know, everybody does things differently and does it their own way. I don't like using the tweezers. I've got a pair of those little tweezer tools for eyelashes, and I just can't seem to make it work. I am going to use the Lash Grip Ardell Professional Clear Brush On Lash Adhesive infused with biotin and rose water. We're going to give this a try. Smells like glue. So that's what the wand looks like. Now, I really like Ardell's because usually I don't have to trim them to fit my eye, which is really nice. And this is going on really nice and thin and even. You want to wait a good 30 to 60 seconds to let this kind of start to get tacky. Excuse me. We have these trees out here in my front yard, and they're really pretty, and they have these really pretty white flowers on them. And like I said, they're really pretty, but I have so much sinus drainage right now from it. So I'm sorry if I sound a little funny. And we're gonna pop these bad boys on. I'm gonna fluff them up. And boom! Those are pretty. Oh, wow. Those are really mega volume. Trying to make sure I kind of blend my real lash and my falsie together. And then I'm going to take some more of my eyeliner. And go around the band. Like so. No, it mostly came off. I'm not going anywhere today. I'm just doing laundry and housework. But since I had the time, I thought I would do a quick video, couple videos for you guys. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to get this other lash on and I'll be right back. Alright, now that these are on, I am just going to take another coat of my mascara. And I'm just doing this to make sure that they're well blended. So I'm just going to kind of And then I'm just going to do a coat on my bottom lashes. I know, fun making faces. I don't know about this mascara. It's a little wet. Maybe if I give it a couple days and see, try again now that it's been opened, but it does seem a little wet, although my eye is watery anyways most of the time. Alright, and that's my lashes and my eyebrows. Now my lips. I got this Buxom Vava Plump in Push Up Pink. So, that's pink, but let's see what it looks like. It doesn't really have much of a smell, but I like the color. Very pretty. I like how it has like the wording and there's a strip here. Kind of a minty tingly, not in major. I can see where it's plumping a little bit. Okay. I like it, and I think it goes good with this look. It's not too much. It's very comfortable. I would say definitely if you can get your hands on some of these, I think there's some other colors. I've been looking around a little bit. Go for it. I mean, these are really nice. So guys, that's it. That's all I've got for you today. We'll see you next time. Bye.